Oh man, I'm just super fucked.
Oh, he's gonna do this.
Super fucked up. Super fucked up. So where did we drink?
Well, you're right there. You're super fucked up.
No, I'm fucked up now. Yeah, I'm fucked up now. But where's the drink?
No idea.
You're on. Here's what?
Yours is in the microwave. Get away from it. I know you. Just a complete mess. Totally falling apart. Right, you need to stay still. Your food's ready.
Fuck, Holmes, give me a fork.
Oh God, he'll do this for like hours though. Just fall apart. You're gonna have to try it. I don't know if it's warm enough. Here you go.
Oh, it's good.
Is it?